Hey, what's up? Check this. It's going good. What's up, YouTube and TikTok? This is Crazy Working Man today. I got mess to clean up in this toilet, so if you have a queasy stomach, just scroll away or exit this video. As of right now, if you don't, thank you for staying along. And right now, this will be my first ever toilet cleaning thing that I have on TikTok and on YouTube, and the same different things. I mean, like, two different cameras. Yep. See? Hey, Hale. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. Always clean the bowl. Ah, what the? That's liquid poop. That's gross. And yes, I do wash my hands after I work. There's some liquid stuff. So. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Or an awesome work week. And also, please let me know in the comment section of TikTok. What should I clean up next? Dog poop?